ang panlilin lang ko, attorney. Ang problema natin is the West Philippine Sea, sabi natin. Ano? But sinong agency ng government ang nag-empower sa ating mga kababayan para malaman nilang complications ng West Philippine Sea? There is nothing as West Philippine Sea. Wala po yun. That is a creation by us. Sa totoo lang po, kahit nabasahin mo yung ating mapa or what, there is no West Philippine Sea. Ang West Philippine Sea, yun po yung area na kiniklaim natin yung exclusive economic zone. The complications of the West Philippine Sea has not been explained to our people. Kaya po nagiging vulnerable tayong lahat eh. Ang sinasabi nila, inoccupy daw ng China ang ating territory. Sir, sa totoo lang po, if CICC and other agencies would cooperate with one another to empower our people, to educate them all, wala pong madideceive kahit ano pang gawin ng China.
Narinig niyo yun, President Marcos, General Browner, at former Senator Trillanes. Nalinlang yata ako, nalito lang. Wala raw tayong karapatang pigilan ang China kung ano man ang gagawin nila dahil marami daw claimants ang West Philippine Sea. Yan ang opinion ko at pagkakaintindi sa kanyang sinabi. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.